Luger P08. More than a gun, a legacy.
The Luger P08, a masterpiece of German engineering, begun as raw steel.
Cutting the foundation for one of the most iconic silhouettes in history.
Forging the steel under immense pressure to eliminate any internal flaws.
The rough shape of the toggle lock system is born.
Annealing the metal to prepare it for precision machining.
Subtracting metal to reveal the complex mechanical heart.
The perfect ergonomic angle, ahead of its time.
Holes placed with micron-level accuracy for perfect timing.
The barrel must be straight and true for legendary accuracy.
Functional beauty in every curve of the steel.
Compressing the lands and grooves that will spin the 9mm round.
Perfect threads for a rock-solid lockup. The toggle lock, a mechanical marvel that replaces a traditional slide.
Manual craftsmanship, where machines reach their limit.
The pivot point of the entire action. Ensuring the round slides perfectly into the chamber.
The receiver acts as a track for the reciprocating parts.
Tightened to exact specifications for safety.
A trigger pull that is distinct and crisp. Old world spring technology, still reliable today. Deep chemical bluing for that classic midnight black finish. Protection against the elements and a mark of quality.
The signature aesthetic of a high-end P08.
Hand-checkered walnut for a secure, classic grip. Natural materials for a timeless feel.
Eight rounds of 9mm parabellum, ready for action.
Reliability starts at the source of the ammunition. Over 40 parts designed to work as one. The marriage of the upper and lower halves. The most satisfying mechanical sound in the world.
The final touch of the craftsman.
Check out that unique reciprocating action. German for safe. Nothing is left to chance.
Accuracy is measured in thousandths of a millimeter.
Consistent pull for match grade precision.
A numbered legacy of precision.
the official mark of a tested and safe firearm.
Time to see if the engineering holds up.
Iconic ejection pattern, straight up and out.
Parabellum. If you want peace, prepare for war.
Precision that defined an era.
Maintenance is the key to longevity.
A smooth machine is a happy machine.
Protection for the protector.
Used by officers and specialists alike.
Toolless disassembly, a feat of design.
Checking the firing pin channel for obstructions.
The key is the precise synchronization of the breech and the locking lever. As you can see, the gauge fits perfectly, indicating correct timing. Checking the magazine floor plate for a tight fit. To measure the reset on this Luger P08, pull the trigger and slowly let it out until it clicks. The distance shown here is the trigger reset distance. The overall length of the Luger P08 pistol, measured from the muzzle to the rear of the grip, is 22.1 centimeters. Now we check the alignment. The front post must be perfectly centered in the diopter.
To measure the recoil spring on the Luger P08, apply tension slowly and note the peak reading on the digital gauge.
Adding the spare magazine and cleaning rod to the box. Measuring the trigger sear engagement depth. Luger P08 sear depth.
Inspecting the rear V-notch sight for a clean picture.
Applying a light coat of grease to the toggle rails.
Checking the frame to receiver gap. The purpose is the Luger P08 tolerance.
The Luger P08. More than a gun, a legacy.